Why is it that after the age of 55, many people turn to a soothing foot soak instead of rushing to the pharmacy? With just a few familiar kitchen ingredients, you can create a simple soak that brings deep relaxation and may help ease inflammation. Here I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can try right at home. In today's video, I'm going to share 2 foot soak recipes that may help ease discomfort, calm inflammation, and leave you wonderfully relaxed after a long day. This is a safe, simple, and budget-friendly way to care for your health, something anyone can do right at home. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll guide you step by step so you can try it right away. Now, let's get started with the first recipe. The first step is to prepare about 5 tablespoons of rice as the base for this recipe. You might not realize it, but rice, and especially rice water, contains a wealth of valuable nutrients for your health. Rice is rich in B vitamins, minerals like magnesium and zinc, and natural antioxidants that help nourish the body, soothe inflammation, and support joint health. Then add about 4 cups of warm water. Stir well with a spoon to release the rice water. In everyday life, this rice water is often poured out and wasted. But instead of throwing it away today, we'll make use of this nutrient-rich water to create a foot soak that's both budget-friendly and effective. After stirring well, strain the mixture to collect the clear rice water and pour it into a foot basin. You can use the leftover rice to cook as usual. Next, add about 4 cups of warm water into the basin and mix it with the strained rice water. Have you ever heard of using rice water to help soothe joint discomfort? Keep watching this video to discover exactly how it works. The next important step is to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a common kitchen ingredient with many wonderful uses. Baking soda not only helps soften the skin and gently remove dead cells, but it also works to neutralize acidity, leaving your feet feeling more comfortable during the soak. Stir well until the baking soda is fully dissolved in the water. Now you have a mineral and nutrient-rich mixture ready for a simple, relaxing foot soak that supports your well-being right at home. Our foot soak is now ready to use. Just make sure the water is comfortably warm, not too hot to avoid irritating the skin. Soak your feet for about 15-20 minutes, gently massaging the arches and heels as you relax. This helps the nutrients absorb more deeply and encourages healthy circulation. Regular foot soaks with rice water and baking soda may help calm inflammation, ease soreness, and can be especially soothing for those dealing with plantar fasciitis or heel discomfort. Beyond that, this method also brings wonderful relaxation after a long day of standing or heavy activity. After soaking your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, gently pat them dry with a soft towel to keep the skin clean and fresh. This is also the perfect time to apply a thin layer of moisturizer, helping to keep your heels soft, prevent cracking, and enhance the relaxing effect. By keeping up this routine regularly, you'll likely notice positive changes: lighter feet, less soreness, and easier movement. Foot soaks also help calm the nervous system, improve circulation, and support deeper sleep, especially helpful for older adults who may struggle with restlessness or leg discomfort at night. So, we've just finished exploring the first recipe. Do you often experience joint aches or swelling in your feet? Give this simple method a try and notice the difference it can make. Now, let's move on to the second recipe made with just one single ingredient that's incredibly common and easy to find in everyday life. The familiar ingredient that almost every household has is ginger. First, rinse the ginger well with water. Ginger contains valuable compounds such as gingerol and shogal, often described as natural fighters against inflammation. When you soak your feet in warm ginger water, these compounds slowly absorb through the skin, bringing a soothing sensation, easing discomfort, reducing stiffness, and supporting relief from inflammation. After rinsing, slice the ginger into thin pieces so its essence can easily release into the water as it simmers. Ginger has a natural warming quality, and soaking your feet in ginger water may gently encourage sweating, which helps the body release toxins, ease nasal congestion, and bring comfort during seasonal colds. This method is beneficial on cold days when the risk of catching a cold or flu is higher, offering soothing relief and helping the body feel stronger. Once the ginger is sliced, place it into a clean pot and add about 4 cups of water. Bring it to a gentle boil so that the valuable compounds, such as gingerol and shogal, can infuse into the water. At this stage, the essence of ginger blends into the liquid, creating a warm, aromatic mixture that feels soothing and offers wonderful support for easing discomfort and relaxation. After about 10 minutes of simmering, pour the ginger water into a foot basin. Then add about 8 cups of cool water, bringing the temperature to around 104-113 degrees so, warm enough for a comfortable soak while still safe and gentle on the skin. And just like that, with only a few simple steps, we have a warm basin of ginger water ready for soaking. This mixture not only helps calm soreness and reduce stiffness, but it also stimulates circulation and provides a wonderful sense of full-body relaxation. The ideal soaking time is about 15-20 minutes. While soaking, you can gently massage the soles of your feet to stimulate pressure points and encourage healthy circulation. This simple practice not only helps ease discomfort and relieve the heavy feeling in your legs, but also brings deep relaxation, leaving your mind calm and at ease. Where are you watching this video from? Leave the name of your country or city in the comments. I'd love to see how far this video has reached. After soaking your feet, simply pat them dry with a soft towel. Right away, you'll feel lighter with warm, comfortable feet that make it easier to drift into a deep, restful sleep. If you keep up the habit of soaking your feet in warm ginger water 2 to 3 times a week, it can do more than just ease joint discomfort and improve circulation. It may also help calm the nerves, support immunity, and keep your feet healthy and clean. This is a simple yet powerful little practice that helps you feel healthier, sleep more deeply, and enjoy each day to the fullest. And there you have it. With just a few simple ingredients, you now have 2 foot soak recipes that can help ease soreness, relax the mind, and support overall wellness right at home. For the best results, combine this with a calcium-rich diet and gentle daily walks to keep your joints flexible, your mood uplifted, and your body strong. Please remember the recipes in this video are for reference only and are not a substitute for medical advice or professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you good health and peace. See you in the next video.